Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I'll show you how to set up an integration to transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to the ClickSend email and YAMS mailing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, in ClickSend you can add new contacts and set up email campaigns for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Select System ClickSend. Then choose an action. Add contact. At this stage you need to connect your ClickSend account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your ClickSend personal account. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select a list in which new ClickSend contacts will be added with each new contact from Zoho Inventory. Now you see the ClickSend fields to create a new contact. You can assign variables from Zoho Inventory to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary variables are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ClickSend as new contacts for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ClickSend. After successful sending, go to ClickSend and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of ClickSend data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.